to set up auto reply text on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings and then scroll down. You'll see phone here. It's actually under the voice memos and above messages. So tap on phone there. And here you will see a lot of sections, right? But I want you to focus on the calls section. So here in calls section, you will see 5 different options there. And what I want you to do is to tap on respond with text. So here with the response with text, as you will see replies here, you'll see 3 automatic replies. You will see, sorry, I can't talk right now, I'm on my way, and lastly, can I call you later. Now, these are actually the quick responses. So these are actually available when you respond to an incoming call with a text. So you can actually change that. All you have to do is just tap on the text that you want to change and type your message or type your text there. Here now it says, now is not the right time. I'll get back to you. I'll get back right with you. Now, if you're done with that, tap on the phone back here, and if someone will call you, it will look like this, right? If someone's calling you and you don't have the time to actually pick up the call, so what you can do is to tap on the message right above the accept button and then choose the reply text on your iPhone. And basically that's it. That's how you set up auto reply text on iPhone. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.